here, like this line. I've just marked the center, and then below the center here I'm just going to do two hills, or like land, okay, plain land, like this. It's not too slopey. Indian national flag over here. So I'm going to draw a straight line first, which is going to be a pole. A beautiful Indian national flag. I'm going to do same like this, okay, same like this, same, and here in this way. Then you're going to divide these by 3 parts, that is 3 equal parts. You're going to do same type curve here, same type curve, one more here like this, okay. And then at the center, the Ashoka Chakra, which has 24 divisions, isn't it? The Gandhiji over here. So I'm going to just draw a rough straight line like this, which is going to be the height. See this shape? See this shape? What shape is this? Oval shape. Ears. The shoulder. See, which has come down a little bit. See? Shoulder like this. And then see, boxes. See, I'm going to do box like this, a U shape, rectangle box here. See, like this, so just a U. Draw it light, draw it rough, because we are going to erase these, okay. These are all construction lines. Next, okay, they just helped us to place the Gandhiji over here in the right proportion. Draw the loop like this, see? Oval. What is this? Like this and like this. The hands. Connect this. Erase whatever is inside. Super easy. Next, the palm here like this. Then you're going to do the dhoti here. See, this is going to be his dress. Here, from here, see this, like this it goes, like this it goes, this side. Even from here, like this, and whatever is inside this, please erase. You know, it has to go like this, see? 2 curves, from here like this and from here like this. See this? And 2 curves in this way, 2 curves here. Do bigger bush here. Like this, who is holding his stick in this way. Okay, that's it. Next thing that you're going to do is a mountain here. Isn't it? They all are going towards one direction like this. And a sun also we are going to do, which is going to be covered with the Gandhiji's head, okay. It's like back side. Here you can simply do an oval like this. See? Okay. I'm going to give an outline for the Gandhiji's head here with orange. Okay, like this. And then see, after this, no, do like this. See, try this method. Round, 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 round. Orange. See, round, 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 like this. Orange. See, make it light. Okay, you're not supposed to take more paint. Okay, more paint. Don't take more paint here. Less paint. Keep it transparent. Yellow.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Now the background is dried. Okay, the sides of the flag are dried, so I can paint now. So I'm going to take less water, a little dark paint, and first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do the orange, the lighter color first. Here. Carefully do this, use the tip of the brush to paint the edges. Just fill it in this way. Brown over here for the trees with some green. Dark green you can add. Next, you can take your sketch pens or color pencils to make these lines over here of Ashoka Chakra like this, and you can do some lines which are, see, coming to the center here from the outer ring. So this is Ashoka Chakra. Next, using a sketch pen, okay, so you just have to do a line, no, straight line till the bottom. Even for the stick, I'm going to add straight line, even giving an outline for the trees here like this. You can even give an outline with pen for the Gandhiji, even for the birds.